So I've got spider senses, and no, it's not the kind that makes me know when a cop's about to fall down or something's about to hit my head like Spider-Man. It's more like I can sense when there's a spider nearby. For some reason, whenever there's a spider around, I'm the first person to know. Most of the time, though. And this is really bad for me because I have arachnophobia, pretty bad. I mean, those little small ones don't really bother me, but if this shit is big enough for me to like see properly, I am out of there. You would not see me. I get scared pretty easily though, and after seeing it for a while, I get paranoid and be afraid to enter any room. Like I have to like survey the whole room first before I enter. I'm like, oh, it's safe because it would suck if I close that door and see there's a spider behind me. I would literally scream and cry and just be on the floor. So yeah, kind of sucks when you're the first person to see what you fear, huh? Why is it always like that?